Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm just going to have a look at some of the essential kit you need for barbecuing, I think. Okay, so this is my book. I've got it coming out May the 14th, Food and Fire. Really proud of this. Goes into a lot of recipes, a lot of techniques, and there's a nice little essential equipment section here, and I've just got some of the things that I think are just kind of really the most important things that you need to barbecue. There's so much kit you can get, but what are the absolute essentials to make your barbecuing life easier? And the first one is a good knife. You need a decent knife, hard wearing, heavy duty. A good knife is pretty critical. It's like an extension of your arm. You will never see a barbecue without one of these. It's a digital probe thermometer. Open it like that, and you pop that into your meat to test the temperature, and you can also use it to test how soft the meat is if you're doing low and slow stuff like brisket, pulled pork and ribs, and you pop that in, and that will give you a feel how well it's done. I think one of these is critical. So there's amazing ways of lighting a barbecue. I think the essential really is a chimney starter. You cook on top of this, you can light your charcoal with it, put some newspaper underneath and the charcoal in here, and then tip it in and it's ready to go. That will make somebody's barbecue life so much easier. And last but not least, tongs. Good pair of solid tongs. What's really important with these is that you check that they work before use. So a couple of claps like that, just to check they're working and in order, is exactly what you need to do. And yeah, these are brilliant, sturdy tongs. Just find some that you're comfortable with and are easy to use. And that's about it really, that'll get you going. Obviously you need a barbecue, something to cook on, some good charcoal is important, all of those things, but I think it's safe to assume you'll have those already. But these are the 4 things that I think that will make any barbecuer's life a bit easier. So if that's helped you, please spread the word, subscribe in the box below there, click on that and let me know if you like what I'm doing. It's all appreciated. Cheers.